It's 1990. After a lot of pain, your mom gives birth to you. She holds you in her hands and thinks, this baby will grow up to do great things. I just hope he will be healthy and happy, she says. She holds you really close. You're 12 and your dad brings home something called a computer. What is this? Let me see, you think. And you're hooked instantly. You mash buttons around like your life depends on it. You move windows around, you're dragging the spray paint tool on paint. Life is good. May it always stay that way. At 15, you learn about real games. A friend told you about them. You start to get curious. Counter-Strike, Dota, World of Warcraft. How do they work? You find mods and server emulators in online forums. What is this? Code? It looks like nonsense to you, but you try to make sense of it on your own. You run it locally. You make a change and everything breaks. But then you try again and suddenly, boom, the message you wrote appears on the screen. Congratulations, you're now a programmer. 6 years later, you finish university easily. You've been programming for years by now. You didn't show up for half the lessons and you still aced it. Time for the real world. You look for a job and you say yes to the first opportunity. The money is terrible, but it doesn't matter to you. You want to prove to yourself that you can do this properly. You're hungry for a challenge. You quickly realize you know nothing. Your massive ego hurts you way more than your average coding skills ever would. You put your head down, read as much code as you can. You shadow the best engineers around you. You listen, you learn, you get better. Oh, what's that? Your manager noticed. You just got a promotion. You're a mid-level engineer now. You get excited, but not too excited. The end goal is still far ahead of you. Maybe one day you'll work for a big company like Microsoft. You hear whispers around you. For his age, he's really good. You like that. A lot. Your team grows and now you are the mentor. Now people come to you with questions. It's a small company, but by now you've learned everything inside out. The most obscure code-based facts, you know them. You're that guy. A year later, you feel you're ready. You ask for a promotion. You want to be a senior engineer. Your manager likes you, but his boss says no. It's not about skills. It's about company size. You're as big as your company's bubble can fit. Everyone around you feels like family. You like your team, but it's time for a big decision. You see a job post for an engineering role at Microsoft. You try to polish your resume and press send. 2 weeks later, you get an email. They want a first chat. They like your vibe. Maybe this is your next big break. It's a 4-stage interview. You pack your dreams in your bag and you fly to Seattle. The first interview is a whiteboard challenge. You don't get it. Linked lists, binary trees. What's that? What about the product? What about business logic? By the third stage, the interviewer has already been briefed. You're not good enough. It's a casual chat to kill time. You don't even have the fourth interview. It's not worth their time. To them, you're just a number in a world of numbers. One less number to worry about. You go back, defeated. It's okay. Maybe next time, you think. You keep looking and you land a role in a big local company. A real one. The kind with floors and meeting rooms and people whose names you'll never learn. You couldn't be happier. Back to the grind loop. Learning, coding, teaching. You start a blog to document what you're learning. Maybe others will need it too in the future. You push code that millions of people use. You stay late not because anyone asked you, but because you want to get it right. Your work ethic is recognized and suddenly you get promoted. You are now a senior software engineer. Work is good. Money is good. Everything else, not so much. Your dad is sick, but it's okay. Life is life. Learning, coding, teaching, learning, coding, teaching. AI? What's that? You can chat to a computer? Like, actually chat? It's not perfect, but it's good if you want a quick laugh. You're curious though. Code is text. What if it can write code? It does. It's not great. You help it a bit. It's much better, and much faster, and much cheaper. But it can only write small code snippets. Surely this isn't a threat. Oh, the next version is out. It's better. You give it some context from your work. It completes your Jira ticket in 5 minutes. You don't tell anyone. You feel like you have an advantage. You even enjoy it. Maybe this will finish the boring work for you. Maybe all that's left for you is the interesting work, the creative work, the human work. Surely. You look at your screen. It just built in 20 minutes what would have taken you a day. You felt proud of that day. That was your day. Next version, better. Next version, better. You pause. You look around you. Everyone has terminal windows open. Everyone is staring at a black and white screen that is thinking for them. The junior dev who started 3 months ago is shipping at your pace. You've been pushing your whole life. You left everything behind you to be the best you can be. And now your entire identity is a terminal window. Maybe a couple. Maybe 5. You don't even type anymore. You dictate. You're thinking, what makes me different than the next person with a terminal window? You try to hide your watery eyes. Your mom called. Your father passed. And a quote creeps up. There's a point at 7,000 RPM where everything fades. The machine becomes weightless. It just disappears. And all that's left is a body moving through space and time. 7,000 RPM. That's where you meet it. You feel it coming. It creeps up on you close in your ear. It asks you a question. The only question that really matters. Who are you?